So I created a UGC video ad for a perfume brand without having any experience, and today I'm going to share with you guys how I was able to do it, from ideation and roadmap, and how I wanted to do it. Lastly, before we end this video, I'll make sure that each and every one of you will know how to create UGC video ads with no experience needed. So first of all, we are going to be using Nextify.ai for this, and let me show you around how this platform really works. So this platform, we have a tool section. You can create a video ad, you can do video cloning, you can make viral videos for products, you can do UGC videos, you can also do lip sync. Here's where it gets really interesting. You can do listing images and image cloning. Now let's head over to the template section. That is the most important part of it. So if you are a product owner or someone who is building a digital product, it's now very simple for you to go from an existing product to an advertisement asset, or a video ad which you can start promoting on all your social platforms like TikTok and Instagram and the rest. So today I'm going to show you the very best thing to do if you are in that state. Imagine I'm someone who created a perfume brand and I have over hundreds of perfumes waiting to be sold to customers. Now I need to make an ad to promote that product. How am I going to do it? I don't know, but I just found this site called Nextify.ai, so I'm going to use it. Now there are this template section, and this template section contains a lot of templates or pre-built template that people have really used to promote their digital products, and we can pick from any of them here. Over here we have the avatar section, which you can pick from any avatars and then use them for your product. So in our case, we are going to be using an already existing template, and I'm just going to be doing a video to promote a perfume brand. So we have one perfume brand ad here. I don't like this. We have another one here. I don't like this. I'm looking for something that includes a talking head video. So yeah, so we have this, and this is very efficient because people would like to see the reactions. So the best thing to do is to click on create similar.
Another viral fragrance.
And once you create similar, you look at the video. If you really like it, and you choose it. So then you enter a prompt of anything that I want you to do. So once you enter the prompt, you click generate, and that is all. So I'm going to show you some 2 videos that I was able to make in this simplest form.
They say,
so you can see,
they say this scent makes you the absolute hero in any room. Yeah, right. Let's see. Oh my God. I am not just seen, I own the entire office now. You need this.
So this is a TikTok ad that you've made, and this can be posted on TikTok without any further edit. I guess you know the amount of work that you would need to make something like this, and it has been made dead simple for you. Like anyone can do it without having experience. So if you really enjoyed this video, give me some reactions and comments under there, and also subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, once you sign up to Nextify.ai, you get free 30 credits to test the tools for free. Peace out.